A new era of mobile. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G. Smartphone technology is always evolving. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is a testament to this evolution. This phone pushes boundaries, offering users a glimpse into the future of mobile. With its impressive specs and innovative features, the F55 5G is more than just a phone. It's a statement. Samsung has always been at the forefront of mobile innovation. The F55 5G is no exception. This phone is packed with features that cater to the needs of modern users. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or a professional, the F55 5G has something to offer everyone. It's a phone that adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. One of the standout features of the F55 5G is its lightning-fast 5G connectivity. In a world that's constantly connected, speed is everything. The F55 5G delivers blazing fast download and upload speeds, making streaming, gaming, and browsing a breeze. You'll never have to worry about lag or buffering again. The F55 5G is more than just a phone. It's a tool that empowers you to do more. Whether you're working, creating, or simply staying connected with loved ones, the F55 5G makes it easier and more enjoyable. It's a phone that keeps up with your demands, allowing you to live your life to the fullest. Deep dive performance, camera, and 5G experience. Under the hood, the Galaxy F55 5G is powered by a robust processor. This ensures smooth performance even when running demanding apps or multitasking. You won't experience any lag or stutter, even during intense gaming sessions. The phone handles everything you throw at it with ease. Speaking of gaming, the F55 5G's display is a gamer's dream. The large, vibrant screen brings your games to life. Colors are vivid, and the refresh rate ensures smooth, fluid motion. Whether you're racing through tracks or battling enemies, you'll appreciate the immersive gaming experience. The camera is another area where the F55 5G excels. Samsung has equipped this phone with a high-resolution camera system. It captures stunning photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. The image processing is top-notch, delivering true-to-life colors and incredible detail. And of course, we can't forget about the 5G capabilities. The F55 5G unlocks a whole new world of mobile experiences. Download speeds are incredibly fast, allowing you to download large files in seconds. Streaming is seamless and video calls are crystal clear. The future of mobile is here. Design and display, sleek aesthetics meet immersive viewing. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G boasts a sleek and modern design. It's a phone that looks as good as it performs. The slim profile and premium materials make it a joy to hold and use. Samsung has paid close attention to detail, crafting a phone that's both stylish and functional. The display is equally impressive. The F55 5G features a large edge-to-edge display. This provides an immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply browsing the web. The colors are vibrant and the blacks are deep, offering excellent contrast. Samsung has also incorporated a high refresh rate into the display. This results in smoother scrolling and animations, making the entire user experience feel more fluid and responsive. You'll notice the difference, especially when compared to phones with lower refresh rates. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is a well-designed phone that combines style and functionality seamlessly. It's a phone that you'll be proud to show off, and it's a pleasure to use thanks to its sleek design and immersive display. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any smartphone, and the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G doesn't disappoint. The phone packs a large battery that easily lasts through a full day of use. You won't have to worry about constantly searching for a charger, even with heavy usage, including gaming, streaming, and browsing. The F55 5G's battery holds up exceptionally well. You can confidently use your phone throughout the day, knowing that you'll have enough power to spare. Samsung has also incorporated fast charging capabilities into the F55 5G. This means you can quickly top up your battery if you're running low on time. A few minutes of charging can provide hours of usage, ensuring you're always connected. The combination of a long-lasting battery and fast charging capabilities makes the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G a reliable companion for even the busiest of days. You can stay connected, productive, and entertained without worrying about battery life. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G runs on Samsung's One UI, which is built on top of Android. One UI is known for its clean and user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate and it offers a range of customization options, allowing you to personalize your phone to your liking. One of the standout features of One UI is its focus on one-handed usability. Samsung has designed the interface in a way that makes it easy to reach all the important elements with one hand. This is particularly useful for users with larger phones. Samsung has also included a suite of useful apps and features with One UI. These features enhance the overall user experience and provide added value. From productivity tools to entertainment options, One UI has something for everyone. Overall, Samsung's One UI on the Galaxy F55 5G provides a smooth, intuitive, and customizable software experience. It complements the phone's powerful hardware, making it a joy to use for both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is a powerful and innovative smartphone that pushes the boundaries of mobile technology. With its impressive performance, stunning camera, sleek design, long-lasting battery, and user-friendly software, the F55 5G has a lot to offer. If you're looking for a phone that can keep up with your demanding lifestyle, the F55 5G is an excellent choice. Its powerful processor, fast 5G connectivity, and long-lasting battery ensure that you're always connected and productive. The impressive camera also makes it a great choice for photography enthusiasts. The F55 5G is also a great option for those who value design and aesthetics. The phone's sleek and modern design is sure to turn heads, and the large immersive display provides an excellent viewing experience for movies, games, and other multimedia content. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is a top-tier smartphone that excels in every category. If you're in the market for a new phone, the F55 5G should definitely be at the top of your list. It's a phone that won't disappoint.